A failing multi-wire run capacitor usually shows symptoms that point to partial loss of capacity rather than a total short or open. Start by identifying the capacitor terminals and the rated values printed on the can, typically something like 65 divided by 5 microfarads, where one common terminal feeds multiple branches. With the system powered off and the capacitor discharged, set a quality digital multimeter to capacitance mode and measure between the common and each run terminal one at a time, recording the readings. Compare each measured value to the rated value for that function and allow a tolerance of about plus or minus 10% depending on manufacturer specifications. For example, a 65 microfarad section reading 44 microfarads is a clear sign of deterioration. If a meter is not available, measure circuit behavior under load by observing low motor torque, slow compressor start, or frequent motor overload trips, while noting that these are indirect signs and not definitive. When replacing, match both the capacitance values and the voltage rating. And if the capacitor is a combined unit, replace the entire can because partial internal failures are common and replacement of individual sections is not practical. Finally, after installing a replacement, recheck capacitance values and confirm normal motor current, draw, and stable system pressures to ensure the issue is resolved. Common mistakes include trusting a single measurement without confirming the common terminal is correct, which can give false readings. Verify the common terminal by tracing wiring and using the schematic and then remeasure. Another frequent issue is not fully discharging the capacitor before testing, which risks damaging the meter and may give errant readings. Short the terminals with an insulated screwdriver or use a resistor rated for the job and confirm 0 volts with a voltmeter. A third problem is installing a replacement with the wrong voltage or mismatched capacitance, which can reduce motor life or fail quickly. Always match the original voltage rating and match the microfarad values as printed on the old unit or consult the equipment manufacturer. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors for projects related to HVAC troubleshooting and repairs. Our site also helps contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where pros and homeowners exchange practical tips and troubleshooting experiences.